Tim Hogan is the executive director of the Center for Law and the Public Interest. It is a nonprofit legal organization.
He is very passionate about what he does, very professional about what he does. He's pursuing what he believes is right for children or right for public education.
Hi. Hi.
Nobody has done more to advocate for the rights of Hispanic students and to recognize that an equal education, a fair education, a quality education is the most important human and civil right for all children, but particularly for our Hispanic students.
Tim's first real impact was when he took on the state of Arizona for its funding of schools and school construction.
The Roosevelt versus Bishop lawsuit involved 4 low-wealth school districts that sued the state of Arizona to change the system of school finance. The court did rule in favor of the plaintiffs.
The Florida's case is a very complicated issue. The state has argued that the Supreme Court has previously permitted students to be segregated for programmatic reasons, as long as there's a reasonable justification.
The case is very much related to the funding and trying to make sure that funding was more equitable between districts.
He has been a patient litigator for Latino students working on trying to get equitable funding for school districts, Ames testing, our standardized testing.
He's won time after time. He has really turned things around for the state of Arizona in the realm of education in lots of ways.
If you drive from Phoenix to Yuma, you'll see these really nice school facilities that are comparable to any facility in the best school districts in Scottsdale or Tempe or Phoenix. And that's what the result of this lawsuit.
He's spent so much time and energy to make sure that our Hispanic students have the same opportunities as other students across the state.
He's a champion, and he's somebody that knows how to lead the effort through the courts, and ultimately the victories have been victories for the students in Arizona.
He just continues to give back to make this world a better place.
He's a tireless advocate and a brilliant strategist. But smart as he is, he doesn't know the meaning of the word quit. And my home state of Arizona is a better place because of it. Here to accept this year's George I. Sanchez Memorial Award is Tim Hogan.
Thank you. Greetings from Arizona. It's nice to be somewhere else, at least for a little while. I'd first of all like to thank NEA for conferring this honor on me. I went to law school to become a lawyer to try and help people, and I hope that in some small way I've been able to do that through my work at the center. It helps to know that your colleagues, thanks. It helps to know that your colleagues appreciate the effort. I'd especially like to thank all the people from Arizona. They're scattered throughout here, made the long trip. There's many over there as well, for thinking of me and putting the time and effort into nominating me for this honor. There's no greater honor than to be recognized by teachers who do such amazing jobs. I'm just a lawyer, and so I know that it's a harder job. Arizona is an extremely difficult place to do this kind of work, but friends like all the wonderful people at the Arizona Education Association, Andrew Morrill and Janie and Cheryl and everybody else who's here, they all make it a whole lot easier to work in a place like Arizona. So thank you all very much.